Hey guys, welcome back. It's a brand new video. And today, just this day, I'm going to be reading you my homemade book, Dog Night. So, hope you enjoy it. But I'm going to read it and show you guys the pictures. Dog Night walked in. I'll show you the picture of that. Okay. Hope you saw that. Dog Night jumped on Chief. That's annoying. He's the squid up there, whoever. Wait, oh, maybe he's not a squid. Is saying ha-ha or whatever his name is saying ha-ha. And then Chief over there saying, okay, or whatever. Sure. Is that good, guys? Dog Night ran out of the cop station. Well, isn't that convenient? Meanwhile, Dog Night is defeating the squid. So, I was right. His name is Squid. And then I'll show you the picture. Right there. Hey, nice to meet you. This squid ran away. Can you barely see him back there? If you can, that's orange. If you can barely see him. Well, on the page. Meanwhile, it says crazy cops. And that's weird. Why is it crazy cops, guys? He says, I'm getting tired of this. I don't know why. Just maybe he is. And then crazy cops though, he's, whatever his name is, still standing now. Maybe he's Chief's brother. That's crazy. Maybe. Where's Squid? Well, where is he looking for the squid? Is Squid a bad guy? Is he not? Let's find out. That's cool. Wait, I should be able to do something. Open the door. Open the door. And then you can see donuts. That is so cool. And if you get this book at home, I sold it to Walmart, so. Now let's see the next page. The squid there says, Mwaha. But why? Is he bad or good? I still don't know. I'm going to get Super Cat. Who's Super Cat? I don't know. Find out. Maybe he is the bad guy. He's saying attack. Or it's like, attack. Or something. He's saying, wow. Maybe that's what Super Cat looks like. Look at that big beast versus that squid. You can't see him though. But look at that beast. So, meanwhile, I've been sitting here like the whole entire book. That's what regular Chief said. And then what's to end it all off? It's the last page. It says, the end. Well, that's cool. So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. It's right there. The button's down there. And I'll see you guys next time.